at a supersonic speed. Hey, moving at a supersonic speed. Moving at a supersonic speed. Zooming through the blooming flowers that I need to see. Even though I missed the view, I'm also passing all degree. Gotta pray that I can slow down soon so I can breathe. Things I like to see, things I like to do. Never got to go to prom, was too busy getting through. Never got to take my mom out on a fancy cruise, but I know that once I shine out, I'll take her to the moon soon. See, everybody sacrificing something for another. Had to sacrifice my time with my brothers to get my mind right. That ignited me to keep writing, to get my grind tight, so that in the future I'd find light and shine bright. Try to open eyes, I work to enlighten. Demons telling lies, I heard too, they frightened. Now I'm sure I'm blessed. If evil's in your breath, don't stress. With my stretch, I strike down like lightning. Moving at a supersonic speed. Coming from the sky, bolt of electricity. Wrap around your body with this elasticity, and shocking you with the knowledge back to true reality. See, moving at a supersonic speed. Yeah, moving at a supersonic speed. Word, moving at a supersonic speed. Moving at a supersonic speed. Yeah.
Moving at a supersonic speed.
Breathe.
Moving at a supersonic speed.
Breathe.
Moving at a supersonic speed.
Just breathe.
Moving at a supersonic speed.
Just breathe.
Moving at a supersonic speed. Moving at a supersonic speed. Moving at a supersonic speed.
Hey, Doc Z.
And when my heart drops, it's not gonna stop. Beginning of a new era, I see the soul so clearer. Souls for gold, no never. I might just jump or era, beat the apocalypse. Like who the fuck is stopping us? Let's start more bitches, let's start more business. LTMB with a movement, yeah, we're cruising. Don't ever let a nigga make you cautious. Carry that heat and no get wet unless you foreplay. Whoa, now take a deep breath, but don't slow down. Breaking down doors with a course, of course. Got bars if you need them to. Open up the eye of the mind, I'm 100 truth. Darks be in the nation if you need a proof. Bring your friends too, we got goose and 100 proof. Grab a cup, some Zeus just to get you loose. And Aunt Lex on board if you need a booth. But in it for the free though, best believe we do it for the people. Knocking down any evil lurking my vicinity. Spit dirty, I'm nasty, human centipede. Vibe tracy like I popped a couple ketamines. No, I'm a ZOE, so you can lean on me. Straight out of POP, my people, we gon' eat. Keep on breathing, keep on living, we gon'